Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Clement Okafor. Here with me is a flyer of Max-Migold Institute, located in Unilag, and here is the statement of results for my program. Institute is an institute that trains people on facility management. They're into recruitment. They're into consulting. So how do I get to know Max-Migold Institute? Through a friend, and have to search through the net to have vast knowledge of what Max-Migold is all about. Having done that, I have to pay for the training. It's a few months diploma course, Max-Migold Master Craft in Diploma. I'm actually a graduating student of that program of batch 22. We are a beneficiary of it and testifying for what the Lord has done through Max-Migold in imparting knowledge in us about facility management. Max-Migold certificate is globally recognized, and they're actually affiliated with International Facility Management Association, Africa Facility Management Association. So I encourage you to enroll in facility management, and I tell you, after that you'll never be a novice anymore. If your career is into facility management career, please try to get this certificate, try to go for this training, and I tell you, you will not regret it. Thank you, and thank you.